Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the electronic power steering. So if your Mercedes has electronic power steering and you have replaced it, you might need to carry out a reset procedure. So let me show you how to do that. So you're going to go to diagnostics, you're going to select your make, select smart VIN. In some cases you might have to manually select the model. Have the ignition on so you can pick the VIN number, then press yes. Just verify the information of your vehicle here on the screen. Then go to control modules, go to chassis, go to electronic power steering, go to control unit adaptations, reset of coding, and then ignition needs to be off. In most cases you need ignition on, but in this case you don't. So I have the ignition off right now. Press continue. Does a reset. And it was reset successfully now. Sometimes the reset can fail. There can be some fault codes, and if you read codes in the electrical power steering control module, you might have certain codes in here. These ones do not prevent reset procedure, but if you have like a serious issue with your electric power steering, not getting power, faulty relay, things of that nature, carrying out the reset might not be successful. So read the codes, address them, and then try again. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.